Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an Bangladesh and Global Studies class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, Bangladesh and Global Studies Assignment-1 discussions. So, dear students, let's see. Today's class 6 subject BGS, topic Assignment-1 discussions, term Haveli, Lecture-03, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So, dear students, as you can see, class 6 Assignment-1 and title of your assignment, Chapter 1, History of Bangladesh. And your assignment will be the causes for Bengalis fighting for liberation war and resist movements. So what are the causes for which the Bengalis fought for the liberation war and they resist movement? Why they resist against the Pakistani soldiers? So where you will find the answer? Chapter 1, History of Bangladesh. So this is the assignment, the causes for Bengalis fighting for liberation war and resist movement. What are the causes for Bengalis fighting for liberation war and resist movement? So dear students, if you open the book, Chapter 1, Bangladesh and Global Studies, class 6, and if you go to Chapter 1, History of Bangladesh, so if you read this, the introduction and lesson 1 and 2, Liberation War of Bangladesh, you will get the answer. Please go to next few pages. Background of the liberation war, then brutal massacre of the invading Pakistani army and our victory. So from lesson 1 you will get the answer. You will also can search from Google any other books. Okay, you will be welcomed. So your assignment, the causes for Bengalis fighting for liberation war and resist movement. So learning outcome, content. So outcome is Bengalis, explain the causes of Bengalis fighting for life in the liberation war, describe the Bengalis resist in the liberation war. So you will learn these two things from this assignment. The assignment should be completed by following the steps below. Number 1, the introduction should be written in the light of the subject of the report. Explain the causes of Bengalis fighting for life in the liberation war. Number 3, explain the ways of resist movement. So direction of preparation assignment, steps, parameters and signal. Instruction, introduction, you will get 2. Present the introduction properly. If you will get 1 incomplete presentations of the introduction. Number 2, explain the reason. Present 4 reasons properly, you will get 4. Present 3 reasons, 3. Present 2 reasons properly, you will get 2. Present 1 reasons properly, you will get 1. Unable to write a relevant reason, you will get 1, 0. Number 3, explain the way of resist. So you will get 4 if you explain the 4 ways of resist. Number 3, you will get 3, explain the 3 ways of resist. You will get 2, explain the 2 ways of resist. You will get 1, explain the 1 ways of resist. And write irrelevant answers, you will get 0. And dear students, you can contact with the subject teachers. This is me, Ariful Islam, this is my mobile number, and Abdul Alim sir and Sabrina Zanpuya madam. Okay, dear students, so your assignment submission date is 26/2/22. This is Saturday. So you will submit the assignment 1 this date. Submission date 26/02/22. So dear students, that's all for today. So do your assignment at home and submit on 26/02/22 Saturday. Okay. So thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. About bad parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.